Okay, what did I learn on YouTube today? Well, I follow or subscribe to obviously to a number of channels on YouTube, and I want to share with you one of the things I picked up today and how it applies to us as course creators. The gentleman or the channel that I subscribe to, one of them is called Channel Makers, gentleman named Nate there. He had an interesting video for YouTube content creators, but I was thinking about how does that apply to us as course creators? And what he was talking about was the video formats that are available on YouTube. And he went over a couple of them. One was the standard long format. He called another one the long format. He talked about shorts, and he talked about live videos. There's also one called Live Premiere, which really doesn't apply in our situation, but we've got these couple of different formats or ways that people are creating content or YouTube content. And some of it, again, is live, some of it's short, and some of it's regular desktop ones. But what are these different formats that he's talking about, and how do they apply? Well, the long format, the standard long format, he says is under 30 minutes. And that's the one that you come to expect. And that one is the traditional desktop format, which is 16 by 9. So it's wider than it is deeper. Doesn't work very well on a mobile device, but that's the standard one. So any of the formats that are long formats, or what he calls long formats over 30 minutes, those ones are 16 by 9. Same with the live ones. They're the same 16 by 9. So that's one that you're probably familiar with. The other new one is called Shorts, similar to TikTok, and that one is 9 by 16, which is the 9 in width, but 16 in depth. So it's quite a bit deeper and narrower. And in this case, Shorts has to be under 60 seconds. So we've got the regular stuff that is over 60 seconds, that is all wide. And then we have the little stuff, which is other 60 seconds, which is very narrow for mobile devices. So I'm a big fan of capturing digital exhaust. We're using YouTube to promote our online courses, our membership site at teachonline.io. Again, if you want to go and join up there, you can register for free, be part of that community. But we've got these formats. Which one should I be capturing, or which one should I use if there's multiple formats at YouTube so I can use it again on my courses? Well, here's what I'm going to tell you to do. I'm going to suggest that you always capture in the wide 16 by 9 format. I use the term called digital exhaust. I want you to capture everything so that you can repurpose it for YouTube on marketing, but also turn it into courses. Now, why am I going to tell you to forget about the 9 by 16? Because there are a number of tools that allow you to take that wide content, snip pieces out of it, and use it for the shorts, for TikTok, for that other format. One of them is called repurpose.io, and that allows you to take all of these large desktop views that you have and actually turn them into mobile ready 9 by 16s that you can now post to those other formats. So capture wide, repurpose for narrow, and I think you're going to be a much better spot than having to do individual formats or individual sizes for each of the channels that are available on YouTube. This is James Maduke speaking from teachonline.io and trainingsites.io, where we help coaches, consultants, speakers, and subject matter experts get paid for what they know and not only for what they do. Take care. Expect the best.